Lamborghini just replaced the greatest supercar they ever built, and what they created instead made the entire automotive world stop breathing. This is the Lamborghini Revuelto, and nothing about it is what you expected. Welcome to Rav Review Luxuries, where we review the world's most extraordinary machines. Subscribe right now because you are going to want to see everything that is coming next on this channel. Let us start with the way it looks. Because the Revuelto is aggressive in a way that makes the Aventador look almost gentle. The body is lower, wider, and sharper than anything Lamborghini has ever built before. 6 active aerodynamic flaps on the front physically adjust while you drive. A redesigned rear wing generates downforce exactly when and where the car demands it. And that color, Verde Scandal lime green. This is not a color you choose if you want to go unnoticed. This is a color you choose when you want the entire world to stop and stare. But wait until you hear what is hiding under that bodywork. Because this is where Lamborghini did something nobody saw coming. Under the hood sits a brand new 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12, the most powerful, naturally aspirated V12 ever put into a production road car, producing 814 horsepower on its own. But Lamborghini did not stop there. 3 electric motors, one on the crankshaft and one on each front wheel, bring the total combined output to 1,001 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.5 seconds. 0 to 200 in just 7 seconds. Top speed above 350 kilometers per hour. This is not just a new Lamborghini. This is the most powerful Lamborghini ever made, by a significant margin. If this video is making you feel something right now, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment telling me whether you think the hybrid V12 is better or worse than the original pure V12. Share this with your car-loving friends and subscribe to Rav Review Luxuries for a new video every single week. Inside the Revuelto cockpit, Lamborghini has completely reimagined what a supercar interior should feel like. A 12.3-inch central touchscreen, 2 passenger screens, so your co-pilot can monitor performance data in real time, a fully digital instrument cluster with a fighter jet-style head-up display, and Alcantara on every surface you touch. The start button is still protected by its red flip cover, because some Lamborghini traditions should never change. The Lamborghini Revuelto starts at 517,000 euros, already sold out for 2 years. This is not a car you simply walk in and buy. This is a car you have to deserve. It is faster than the Aventador, more advanced than anything Ferrari has ever built, and more emotionally involving than any hybrid supercar on the market today. Lamborghini did not just replace the Aventador, they buried it. That is the Lamborghini Revuelto on Rav Review Luxuries. Subscribe for more luxury car reviews every single week, and I will see you in the next one. Both of these machines are legends. Both of them deserve to be in every dream garage on the planet. And both of them remind us exactly why we fell in love with cars in the first place.